to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set the out of office status in the Google Chat. So the first thing that you need to do is open your Gmail on your computer and then head to the chat tab here on the Gmail. So as you guys can see here, the status will be shown in here, and my current status is this one, active. And to set the out of office, you can just click on this tab right here, click on the active. Okay, so here you can just click on set as away, for example, or you can also just made a custom status. So here click on add a status, and I'm going to write out of office, for example. Okay, now you can also adjust to clear the status after, for example, 1 day, 4 hours, this week, or custom. So just adjust it to how long you will be out of office. For example, I'm going to out of office for just 1 hour, so I'm going to click on 1 hour, click on done, and after that the status will be changed, so you can see out of office. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.